I love Thailand. I've been to Thailand for the last 30 something years. What do I love about it? It shows the world that fat is not flavor. It can show the world that you can have brilliant food that's full of incredible spices and herbs, and it doesn't have to be boring. That's my life. Eating carb-free and healthy, but it's got to be delicious. And this Thai beef salad is out of this world. Let me show you how to make it. This dish is the most filling, the most powerful in flavor, but it's literally, again, what I live by in that low carb, also zero carb, very little fat, just lots of flavor. I've been to Thailand over 100 times. This is a beef salad that is incredible. But the difference is I always make it with a really nice strip steak or even a filet mignon. Sometimes in Thailand, because they serve it everywhere, it won't be the most expensive piece of beef, and that's got fat in it and it doesn't have as great flavor. So I really want to do it lean and healthy as I do everything. I'm going to put so much flavor in here. I literally need a dash of salt and pepper, a dash, because there's so much in the rest. I always oil the food, not the pan, then you don't get any excess oil. I know the whole trend today is you can have good fats and lots of it. I'm not doing keto, I'm just doing clean, don't need extra fat. Have enough of it through avocados and enough in the beef, you don't need to put more in. Hot pan, get that sizzling. We're gonna cook the beef. You wanna have it really nice and rare on the inside. Gonna get some more pepper here. And I'm gonna keep that going on a hot heat. Now, we're gonna make it a Thai beef salad, and we're going to put some incredible flavors in it. And it reminds me of Thailand. It's bursting with flavor. Let me show you what we got. We've got a red onion. We've got some chili flakes. Now, you can use red bird's eye chili, but they're not that easy to get here all the time. So we're going to use chili flakes. I want to use easy ingredients you can get. Fish sauce is a must. Soy sauce, I'm using a gluten-free. You can add sesame. You don't have to, but I do like to. Let's start off with the onion. And we want to get really, really thin slices. I'm putting a lot of pressure on the onion and trying to just get that really wafer thin that you'd get like on a mandolin. And as you can see, those are really almost see-through pieces of onion. Because we're not cooking this, so I don't want it too hard in a massive piece of onion. We just want to make it tiny, tiny thin. Probably do about 4 or 5 of these. You've got to see this beef when it comes out. My first cookbook was on Thai food. That was 23 years ago. And my next cookbook after 13, number 14, is another Thai book, but it's all on how you can make Thai food so easily at home without kind of ingredients that might be hard to find. I'm just going to get that on the all sides round because I want to cook this nice and pink. Get a little bit of that fat to burn off. Again, I put a tiny bit of oil on the steak. There's more in the pan now, so again, that shows you don't need a lot of oil to cook. Sear that over there. It's going to be beautiful. Actually, it might even be the cover of my new cookbook, a Thai beef salad. It became like one of these hero items in the book, just because it looks so pretty as well. It really does. Tastes amazing. Okay, let's get that. Just going to trim that beef up. Might have that later. While I'm cooking, put that over there. Okay, I'm going to switch it back here because I want a little bit of room here to start assembling. So let's take the onion, put that in the bowl. We're going to add chili. I mean a lot. This has got to be powerful. It's got to have a kick to it. And again, it's going on a big piece of meat, so you don't have to be shy with the flavors. Oh, it's coming along good. Probably about 5 minutes on that steak. So let's just do a tiny little bit more onion as we've got the time. Nice again, wafer thin. Be better if I got a mandolin, I could do it like that in 2 seconds. Let's get that there. Let's get some scallions. Want to go all the way up, so I want the color of the green. these in the bowl. Then we're going to get all these beautiful herbs. Let me just give this. Oh, look at that colour. You know what I'm going to do? Because I don't want the fire alarm to go off. Take some of that smoke. Get a little excess oil away. Probably put this on for a minute. Take that off the heat. That's going to carry on cooking. If you like it nice and rare, I might come back to that in just a minute. Let's get some of these veggies on. Let me see the other side of that. Okay, probably needs a little touch more. Just a touch. Okay, so what have I got in my fresh herbs? Wait till you see this. When you taste this, you'll be making this all the time. If you love beef, it takes it to a new level, especially if you want really clean, healthy. Lots and lots of cilantro. But what makes this brilliant is the mint. The mint in this is so fragrant. It just, to me, if I could take one ingredient in a Thai beef salad, it certainly would be the mint. Now, another way you can do this as well is lots of lemongrass. I don't have any lemongrass with me today. I would always add lemongrass. You can buy it in the grocery store in a paste, which again, not the best, but not the worst either. Better to have it. And then we've got to add another ingredient that I've got to grab from my fridge. Got it. A little bit of garlic. Okay, so we're going to put a little bit of garlic paste here. Take some ginger. Get rid of this. Freshly grated ginger in here. Let me turn this steak one more time. Look at that colour. Is that not nuts good? Nuts good. Let's get a lot of ginger in there. Lots and lots and lots. Let's chop up these herbs. Kind of fold them all into themselves. I don't need this to be a really fine chop because it's like a salad the way you eat it. So I want it just a real rough, coarse chop. Going to throw that in there. And then some of that soy, a little dash of sesame. Fish sauce is the most important, it really is. It isn't the best ingredient on its own, but when you put it into this, it's magic. I want to go through the elements of Thai food with you because it's really interesting. Salty is your fish sauce. Sour is a squeeze of lime. Sweet sugar, bit of sugar. Spicy, that was going to be your chili. Bitter, that's going to be a little bit of that ginger. Those are the elements of all of the different Thai flavors. That's the key to getting these brilliant mixes of flavor to give you a flavor like you've never had before. And that's what we love about Thailand. Okay, we're ready to start plating. Let's turn that all off. Let's give this a slice down, 1/2 inch to 1 inch slices. How rare do you like yours, Joel?
I like my medium rare.
Medium.
Pretty
This
rare.
is on the rare.
Yep.
I find a little bit of that sauce kind of marinades it a little bit. So I'm okay with this. Some people like it a little bit more well cooked. We're going to dress that up there. Oh, this is so good. The flavor in minutes. The flavor in minutes. I'll save for a little bit on top. Let's take that beef. I'm going to pop that on there. I'm going to push it to an angle just so we get to see that all. Let's take a little bit more. Whoops, 10-second roll. Okay, if you could give that a taste, that is Thailand in one bite. You'll love Thai food forever.